It's Mark with Easy Auto Spawn. Today we have a 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee with some fender damage. The customer submitted some online photos for us and we noticed immediately that there was some cracking on the paint when the photos were submitted. As soon as we got it in our shop in person, we were able to see that the paint damage was a little more severe than originally what we thought. After talking to the customer, we've decided to move forward on a hybrid repair option. And what that basically means is we're going to be repairing the dent with a paintless dent repair process. And then when we are done repairing the damage, we're going to take it to a local body shop that we've used a lot in the past for paint work, and they will go over what we have repaired and repaint the panel. The benefit of doing that is it's going to be a lot less of an invasive repair than if a traditional, if a body shop was traditionally doing it where they were stud welding it out and blocking it and sanding it. It's going to be a lot less invasive, the method that we're going to have. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off this trim piece, we're going to take the liner out, and we're going to get access behind that metal. And we're going to get that metal as flat as we possibly can and get it looking pretty much like it never happened except for the paint damage. And then the body shop will go behind us and they will paint over this spot of the panel. After we're done with that repair and we get it back into the shop and it's had time for the paint to settle, we're going to PPF the entire front end of this vehicle. The customer has wanted to go with PPF just so that they can protect it from future damage and the front end from everything as well. Honestly, with something like this, it may not have protected it even if we had PPF on it, but we kind of say it's like a screen protector on a phone. Even if you damage the screen protector on your phone, it still could protect the main screen of your phone, just like PPF could help prevent this. And maybe even if it did get damaged the same way, the PPF could prevent it from flaking off or chipping as bad. So you might be with a spot that you could live with touch-up instead. All right, here's the finished product. We had it 2 days in our shop getting the PDR work done. After getting it roughed in as close as we could, we took it to the body shop and they were able to rough it in and get it painted. We were able to keep the repair small, so we didn't have to blend to any other part of the vehicle. So just the fender got painted, and we were able to, be able to just keep it small and a quick and easy paint job for them. So after waiting 30 days, the customer came back and we did a full front PPF on the entire vehicle. So hopefully everything will stay protected, and if they have an incident like that again, hopefully it'll protect it from getting paint damage on the impact. So if you have a dent that could be a good candidate for a hybrid repair, let us know, swing by one of our shops and we can take a look at it and kind of assess our options if it's going to be a good option for you to go down the paintless dent repair route, or maybe a hybrid repair, or maybe we can just direct you to a normal collision center. So